In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your schedule and tasks in Google Calendar. We all lead busy lives, and maximizing productivity is crucial. Fortunately, Google Calendar provides a seamless way to keep track of your events and commitments. Let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this tool. First, start by visiting Google Calendar on your preferred web browser. You can simply type in the URL or search for Google Calendar, and it should pop right up. It's always a good idea to be logged into your Google account to ensure everything syncs properly with the rest of your apps and devices. Once you're in, you'll see a familiar grid representing the week, month, or day view depending on what you've selected. This is your canvas for organizing your life. Now let's add a new event. Select a date on the calendar that you'd like to schedule something. You can do this by clicking on the date itself or the plus sign that usually opens up the event creation form. Here you'll be able to fill in all the necessary details for your event. It's important to be thorough here, so enter the event title, the time it starts and ends, and any other info that might be useful, such as location, description, or even links to online meeting platforms like Google Meet. After you've added all the details to your event, don't forget to save it. There's a Save button usually located at the bottom of this event creation window. Clicking this will ensure your event is safely added to your calendar. Keeping everything in your calendar up to date is key to staying organized and preventing any double bookings or overlapping commitments. Next, let's switch gears a bit. Google Calendar also comes with a nifty feature for managing tasks alongside your events. To get started, look for an option called Switch to Tasks. This directs you to the task management section of Google Calendar. This feature is excellent for jotting down to-dos that might not necessarily fit into the event category but are still things you need to keep track of. Once you're in the Tasks section, simply click on Add a Task. Here you can enter tasks much like you would write a list. Type out what you need to accomplish and include deadlines if necessary. This makes it easy to keep your tasks visible and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. With all your tasks typed in, you've created a system that's interconnected within Google Calendar, allowing you to visualize and manage your time and responsibilities more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of Google Calendar, enhancing your productivity and keeping you organized in your day-to-day activities. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in future videos.